Hello and welcome back to John Foster RC, and today we are going to be doing a unboxing video on the fabulous Blitzer Beetle 2011 re-release version. Does come complete with the electronic forward and reverse speed controller, which will be the TBLE-04S type, and this is a fabulous kit that was kindly donated to me by the fabulous and legendary RC Elf. So really heartfelt thank you for popping this through my door, and always been looking at one of these as well. Fun factor being a sort of very capable two-wheel drive chassis, and again on that fabulous VW Beetle bodywork, which looks amazing. And as you can see by the box art, it certainly does look very striking indeed. So yeah, let's get the components out and take a look at what's inside the box. And yes, straight away, when you remove the lid off of the box, you are presented with this. The box is divided with a little divider here, predominantly with the body on this side and your components on the other side. I've also purchased the bearing upgrade. I do for all the RC cars that I have. I always purchase the additional bearings as well. This also comes with the TBLE-04S speed controller. It'll probably be fine for the moment, but may go wild at a later stage, but we'll see how it handles. Yeah, so with the wonderful world of camera work, we can put all the components on the kitchen table here. So with all the components out on the kitchen table, this is what you are presented with, and apart from the white roses, of course. So let's take a little closer look at the components that you get. So first and foremost, the build manual for the Blitzer Beetle, and the cracking decals that you get. Wow, those bright fluorescent colours, look at those, absolutely beautiful. Not sure what we're going to do bodywork wise, we'll have a look, but wow, they are absolutely striking. You get a bag of bits with all your bags for your components, springs, damper oil, and everything else in there. The main body itself, the interior side of the body where you get the windscreen and sort of window area. Again, I've noticed this doesn't have the rear window, so I might have a look at that and see what we can do. I quite like having a rear window. Various components, driver figure, electronic speed controller, then of course the various components to make the chassis up, and including your sort of gearbox cases. You've got trailing arms, gear bags, main chassis, and a striking front nose and the striking fluorescent wheels. Wow. And inside there, I promise Pete I'll do the obligatory tyre sniff test, and of course a wibbly wobbly. Lovely kit to go to be building. And again, this is amazing. RC Elf, again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for making this possible and donating this to my channel. Thank you very, very much indeed. So yeah, we're going to be doing this in stage by stage. Thank you, and look forward to seeing you all on the next.